Thank you to the councillor, the chair lady, the chairman, honourable speaker. Thank you very much. The Ruparelia group, the team that's here, they're working very hard. Let me give you a brief on this event. This all started in a conversation with Rajiv Ruparelia, who is one of the trustees of the Ruparelia Foundation. It was a very straightforward conversation. He called me and said, you know, Cedrick, what can we do? I was thinking of something, some other people were thinking of other things. I said, you know what we do? Let's actually do something. I hear this thing together. But I think a lot of people don't really understand what that word together means. Together means is to join forces to solve a problem. In Uganda, in Kampala, in the rest of Uganda, in Africa, that together is a problem. It causes a big problem. It comes with a lot of razor blades, small things. So I said to them, okay, let's come together and let's try and do what we can do. So we said, let's find a structure that works. So we picked the 20 parishes of Kampala, and they asked me, how are we going to do it? Are we just going to stand on the road and throw food from trucks? I told them no. Believe it or not, there is an existing structure. From member of parliament to mayors, to councillors, to of course speakers, councillors, LC2 chairman and LC1 chairman and chair ladies. These are the people, especially the LC1, who understand what is going on in their villages. There is no way in this village is which one? Where we're standing?
We are in Chitante Hill.
Chitante Hill is the village.
Yes.
So in this Chitante Hill, I don't know who lives in that house in front of me or in those houses there. It is the LC1 chairman of this area who understands who will need these products more than anybody else. So why should I try to do their job? So with the Ruparelia Foundation, we thought it was the best idea to use the LC1 chairman. People say, oh, the LC1 chairman, they are going to do what? They're going to take these things and steal these things. I said, but how? These people are voted by the people who live in their village. So why should they take anything from the people who vote them? In fact, this will put more pressure on them to deliver to the people that matter. So we have decided that we will use the LC1 structures, LC2 structures within the parishes and the councillors. Of course, Felix is here. We called him first. I didn't come to you or to you. I said, Felix, this is your parish. You bring the chairmen and chair ladies. So this is what we've done. We want to set an example. We can't, this is what we can do. This is what the Ruparelia Foundation can do, that I can do within our means. We can't finish the whole of Uganda, unfortunately. It's 42, 43 million people, but we've chosen, okay, let's try and feed the people in the area in which we live and where we function. And that's Kampala Central, hence 5,500 families. We hope that what we have done will encourage others to do the same in their community. And maybe it spreads across Uganda, across the country, and maybe even to neighboring countries. So thank you all very much for coming, and I hope this can help people a little bit. I know it's not a lot, but this is what we have, and if we can do it well, who knows? There might be another angel who knocks on the door in the next few days and says, let's do it again. And if I must do it again, I will do it again. So thank you very much. And I want to show you something. In each pack, we have a bar of soap, and this is based on the whole issue around hygiene. Hygiene, preventing the disease, so on and so forth. This is what this is supposed to represent. Then we have 1 kilo of sugar. We have 1 kilo of beans, and we have 2 kilograms of posho. That is what constitutes a pack. So hopefully through your villages you will give a pack to families. The councillors, where is Felix? Felix will get 2 packs because he used his airtime. And then the LC2 chairman, where is he? He will also get 2 because he has 2 on the end of his name. I don't know why he has 2, but he has 2. But I'm sure he will find what to do. And then all the chairman will get 1, and through you, the chairman, please distribute to your respective villages. You have 4? 3. So that's something like 30?
Yeah, always.
You have 30 packs to distribute through your villages. Sorry we could not do more. This is the best we can do. But hopefully, as I said, an angel will knock again in the next few days and we'll come back. But the next time we come back, you'll know why we're coming back. So we'll do it much better and much quicker. Thank you all very much. God bless.
Just a vote of thanks.
The leaders, this is a gift from us, the Ruparelia Foundation and Cedrick. Each of the leaders, where the chairs, the chairman of the villages.
Yes, we have leaders here. We have Susan. We have.
Okay. Susan, I can see. Susan, I can see. She wants us to be fast. So. This is the sanitizer. Yeah. But we're going to give you something else, chairman. Yeah. And who?
Leaders is there.
Yes. Mama Flash, I have to give her anyway. or I'll get in trouble. Chairman. Yeah. And let me give this list.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay. So. What we are going to do is each of the... Where is the spray? Come and I show you. This one we're demonstrating for purposes of teaching those who see on social media or on TV that we're observing President Museveni.
Demonstrate with him.
Oh, Muse. Hey, Muse, habari. Okay, so you first give Muse some spray.
You spray him.
Right, and then you give me.
Can you do the spray?
Remember space. We're demonstrating for.
You do the spray.
We're demonstrating for the man with the hat. Okay. You just come here and close the place.
What's Cedrick?
All right.
Do the spray.
Where?
You give for him to handle and do it.
Yes.
The demonstration. No. The demonstration will be effective.
What is saying? What they say? Wash properly.
Yes. I see. Sanjay, you're a doctor.
Oh yeah. This is Dr. Sanjay from the Ruparelia Foundation.
Hey, Dr. Sanjay.
Clean yourself, maintain the distance, and clean yourself, and stay at home. Unnecessarily don't move out wherever you not required.
So please hand over since you have sprayed.
And social distance.
And no phone calls.
Yeah. Thank you.
Boss. Sanjay, first hold again.
Properly. And then I will also... Dr. Sanjay taught us.
Yes. Okay.
Yes.
Boss.
Uwe corona yote kwa mikono. Alafu ukimaliza kuua corona unatoa mikono vizuri. Asante. Tunashukuru Mungu. Thank you.
One. Who is getting for the woman counselor? No, there are 2. There is a woman counselor. I'm the woman counselor.
Do you know me? When I knew you.
Hey, I thought it was a dollar.
I received it on behalf of
Okay. Then the LC.
This lady, her daughter is the best basketball player in Uganda.
Oh, really?
East Africa, I don't know, I know Uganda. Okay, another chair there.
Sanjay.
Dr. Sanjay. For somebody.
Dr.
Mr. Cedrick, you can stand aside also. In between there.
Another chairperson, please.
That is our NRM chairman, LC2. Is our commander. As this t-shirt almost looks like
And I'm your class bearer.
You're welcome.
Yeah, you what? Chairperson. You're done, eh?
The only three we are done.
The only three.
From the Ruparelia Foundation. You know CMI? That is Ruparelia. Down here there are quite properties, and he has been always a good member of the community. So we say thank you, Cedrick. Keep it up. The Baganda say meme gaba. Thanks for the initiative. Another person would have said, let me take to my relatives, which is, that's why I said another person. You know, I know. So, by the fact that you have thought of us, Kampala Central, you know, there are no gardens in this area. So, whatever food you bring is of high value to this community. Thank you very much.
Musibye mutya basebo ne banyabo erinnya lyange Cedrick Babu, aspiring MP Kampala Central. Tuli wano ne Ruparelia group. What we are doing is to try and involve ourselves in the community. Enovirus eri bubinyo. It is covering the whole country. It's covering the whole world. The president, His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni Angambye, practicing social distance and be safe. Be safe.
Mwene nsonga musinzidde mutyo okugaba ebintu mulina kwe mutandikira nti myaka wegiti oba mugaba bugabi.
No, you know what we're trying to do? No, your project, Rajiv Ankubye Simu, Rajiv Ruparelia, what can we do? I told him, let's do what we can. We cannot help everybody, but let's try within the parishes of Kampala. Tusura wano mu Kampala, sisura muchi mu city endala. So tukole wano, and then maybe others will see, and they also try to help in their communities. So let us give an example. By LC1 chairman, by LCT chairman, ne oyo mukwano gwange bamuyita Semakula, oyo muvubuka wa Kamoja, atonkwata kosebo. Look there. Muvubuka wange, muganda wange, tujakola eno program, and we'll try our best. We shall finish here in Kamocha 2, and then we go to Kamocha 1, we go to Kololo 4, 3, 2, 1.
Mungeleka waliwo mukadde ali eyo nga tasobodde kujja wano. Bote mwina kuba abakadde bayinza okuba nga tasobola kutambula. Bo mugera bayiza abantu.
That is the work of the LC1 chairman.
Okay.
LC1 chairman bamanyi abantu bakyalo. Abakadde, abalema, abakyala, oyo LC1 bamanyi. Sisobola kukola ki? I can't start throwing things in the road. It will cause problems. Ate tuina coronavirus. Social distance. Mwebale nnyo. BBS.
Publicity Secretary w'omuluka gw'e Kamocha. Ebyalo 10 ebikola omuluka gw'e Kamocha.
Ekiri ku ground.
Ekiri ku ground kati ye munnaffe atudduukiridde Cedrick Babu, mutani wa Honorable Babu, atudduukiridde n'ebintu sukaali, tulaba sabbooni n'obuwunga, okubeera nti at least abantu abali mu bwetaavu ennyo bafunako kantu newankubadde nti kaba katono kannaku 2-3 naye at least tubaako ekintu kyetukola kyetufunye ng'abantu eno ku ground. Era kituyambye ffe ng'abakulembeze okubeera nti tufuna abantu abatudduukirira bwe bati okulaba nti kino kyetulimu ekya coronavirus ate ne batusomesa n'otusomesa engeri y'okunaaba mu ngalo kubanga tulabye bwe badde batuwa ebintu tusoose kunaaba mu ngalo ne batuwa ebintu okulaba nti tubeera bayonjo nga tufuna ebyokulya.
Ku ground abantu bagamba ki?
Ku ground era tugenda kufuna okusomozebwa kw'amaanyi olw'ebintu bino nti abantu abamu basuubira okuba nti ebintu biba bizze bingi nti oba naweebwa kiro ate anajja kuweebwa kiro mmeka ez'ebintu naye tugenda kufuna okusomozebwa okwo kubeera nti at least tuwa abo abeetaagira ddala.
Abantu bali bubi kubanga twebazizza nyongoa ng'omusajja ono Ruparelia Cedrick ne mutabani oyo amukulembedde najja n'atuwa ebintu naye abantu bali bubi gavumenti yandibadde ng'esalako negamba ti lisiti buli muluka katubaweeyo obuyambi kubanga abantu bali bubi babasibira mu nyumba tebalina mirimu tebalina kyakulya kati awo embeera yo mbi ddala kubanga sifa abaleeta ekiwadde naye ate gavumenti yanditusaasidde kubanga abamu basapooti abali kutuwa tebakola mu gavumenti naye bali kulumirirwa abantu abawansi abatalina ne bajja ne batuwa kubanga ono tumwebaziza nnyo awadde abantu ki ekyokulya tusurvivinga bubi kubanga abantu babeera mu mayumba tebakola tebalina ssente kati obonaaba nga tokola nga tolina mulimu ng'okola onaafuna era ekirwadde kijja kuba nga kituuse mu Uganda nga abantu bafudde ki njala kubanga abantu tebalina kyakulya tweyanziza nnyo tweyanze
amanya agange nze Olibago Patrick nga ndi mukulembeze wa bubuko wa Kamoocha. Leero ekibaddewo kitusanyusiza nnyo nti nno bano aba Ruparelia bagezezaako kye basobodde ne basobola otuweereza ebintu bino. Ebintu bibaddewo byo bigenda tuyamba lwakuba bitono kubanga Kamoocha erimu kati abantu 2,000. Ebintu bye batuwadde tulowooza nti nno tugenda bawadde ddala bali eri abali wansi ennyo abateesobola abakadde. Naye tubadde tusaba gavumenti etuyambe ejje omusolo ku mazzi abantu amazzi basonerenga bwereere n'amasanyalaze bagajjeko omusolo abantu basobole okukozesa amasanyalaze ago kuba kati ebbeeyi ya buli kintu kyonna kyonna yeekanamye era tusaba n'ekirala nti gavumenti etuyambe nga KCC bulijjo webezza okusolooza omusolo baggala amaduuka naye ku lwaki tebajja essaawa zino ne balaba abantu ab'amaduuka engeri gye bongezaamu emiwendo tusaba gavumenti n'ekirala ekezeeko okubayamba naddala mu kuleeta bino ebintu juuzi omukulembeze we yali ku TV yagamba bagenda kukwasaganya n'amagye balabe nga badistributing ebintu babireeta ku byalo abantu basobole okugula naddala ku byalo ku magye kubanga bano abantu ba wansi bano ab'amaduuka bo tebatulumirirwa tubadde tubawagira naye kati bo tebagadde tulumirirwa omunyo okulinnya kubeera ku 24,000 naddala omuntu wa wansi zatasobola kukola ki kuwaayo kituyisiza bubi nnyo era tusaba gavumenti President Museveni vaayo tukuwagira naye vaayo oyamba omuntu wa wansi
Bana.
I thank you for coming, the village, the parish members, the LC ones, Windsor, Chitante Courts and Chitante Hill. We are happy to receive you. The Ruparelia Foundation, led by Cedrick Babu, together with the Speaker of Kampala Central Division and the representatives of Ruparelia Group. We are very, very honored to receive you, especially in this kind gesture that you have offered, which is a big heart in society and community. I think we would give a big hand clap for them. My name is Felix Okuye. I'm an engineer by profession and I'm the area councillor for Kololo 3 Parish. We have the LOC1 chairman for Windsor Village. We have the representative of the LOC1 chairperson for Chitante Hill. The chairman is Carol Isengoga. I've used their names so I can't forget to mention their names. Then we have LC1 for Chitante Hill, Susan Kasadokao. Then we have representatives of Chitante Courts Village. And we have our LOC2 chairman, who by protocol I should have mentioned first, Mr. Vidas Nteziyareme. Thank you all for being here. We received a message from the Ruparelia Group, highly coordinated by our dear friend, and always, you know, there are things you cannot avoid, and you get used to it. We will always introduce you and also refer to the senior citizen, who is our Honorable Captain Francis Babu. You know, there is a name which at times makes understanding you quicker. So you will continue bearing with that. You know, he is also the president for Uganda Lawn Tennis Federation, and a very, 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 very pro-people person. I will not speak long, but I will invite my speaker for Kampala Central Division, Madame Sylvia Bayamrachi, who will invite Cedrick, and we will hear more from each other. Thank you very much.
I'm on Mugole, something like 3 weeks, and I'm just coming here to coordinate this project, and I would like to appreciate the people of Kololo for having been organized and ready to receive us. Our key appreciation goes to the Ruparelia Foundation, which has channeled a hand in this critical moment through our Honorable VP, Cedrick, Babu. Thank you so much, the Ruparelia Foundation. This project is feeding 5,500 families in Kampala, as I talk right now. And in the 5,500 families, at least Kololo 3 has been blessed to have 100 people being fed. 100 families, not people, a homestead. So Kololo has got 100 packs, and Kololo 3 has got 100 packs. Those are 100 families to be fed by the Ruparelia Foundation. And I appreciate the heart, the way Honorable Council has said. Cedrick is pro-people, and that's why he has managed to identify the lowest person in our community, who is an LOC. We have been getting a lot of things, but when our people are not recognized, we have our structures, but they don't get recognized. And we know it very well. If you want a message to trickle down, it must go through the lowest person in the community. So I appreciate Cedrick, the channel, the structure you have used to make sure this food goes down. Our humble request is kindly, the leaders of the area, you know your people very well, you know who is bad love, you know somebody who is in need. We request you kindly to make sure it trickles down, to make an impact, because this is a social responsibility by the Ruparelia Foundation, and we need at least our people to know, indeed. You know, like yesterday we went to Tubukesa and people were asking, is this money is this food from the government? The issue is, it's the Ruparelia Foundation, through Honorable Member of Parliament to be, through your speaker, through your councillor, and then through the LC to until to the ground. So that is our humble request. We thank you so much. MP2B, the floor is here. Then maybe, before you come in, we are arguing you members, the few who are here, kindly get leaders who can get friends who can come in. Today, Ruparelia is here. We don't even, tomorrow you can come and say, you know, we distributed food in Kitate secondary, but we found the situation wasn't all that good. And tomorrow they will come back on their own, without me, without him, and so on. Are you getting it? So whenever you're getting your leaders, you better look at a leader who can connect you to a friend. So that is Cedrick. Thank you so much.
Bampita Muzee Karoli Segoga, Chairman RC1, Windy Sakurese, the Kololo City.
Olunaku lwaleero tulabe nga babawadde ebintu.
Olunaku lwaleero neebaza Katonda kubanga ebintu bino mbadde simanyi gye biva, Katonda yabimpadde. Neeba nange Mukama mulungi kubanga mbadde ndeyawo nindaba nga ebintu bampa banyambye ne bayamba n'eggwanga lyange, baagadde eggwanga ly'abantu bano baagalira eggwanga era be bannayuganda batuufu bano abalumirwa eggwanga lyabwe. Tuyanziza tweyanzize.
Mwene embeera obadde wategedde ekintu mwene embeera abantu bonga otugambye oli mukulembeze muno, ki kyokozeewo ki kyobakoleddewo mu kaseera kano ak'ekirwadde?
Sirina kirala kye mbadde mbakubiriza tugondera amateeka ga gavumenti kubanga nange sirina musaala nkolera batuuze sina sente zenfuna mu gavumenti wakiri nkolera abantu bange abandonda naye kakati nze ngezaako nnyo okubakubiriza baleke kumenya amateeka ga gavumenti naye ate abantu bakola bulungi bampulirizaamu bye mbagambye bakkiriza.
Webaza bakuwadde ebintu.
Nebaza abantu bampadde ebintu bino kubanga mbadde sibisuubira ndowooza n'obulwadde buno tuyinza kubuwona kubanga Mukama waali kubanga abantu bano tubadde tulowooza nti nga tibunaaba kututa tugenda kufa njala naye kati abo abantu b'omukwano batandise kutudukirira tuyinza kuwona bulwadde. Twebaza Mukama kubanga abantu bano engeri gye batudukiridde tubadde tusuubira gufa njala naye kati nga bwe tugenda abantu batudukirira awo batugumiza mutima mulungi kakati omutima gugumye.